Live Lingua Spanish, episode 221. Visualization practice. Talking about where you live. Let's practice everything you've learned in Unit 2. Imagine you are in these three scenarios, and try to picture in your head how the conversation would go. If you're not sure about how the conversation would go, just review the episodes in this unit until you have it down pat. Let's get started. Empecemos. Number 1. Número uno. You're at a small dinner gathering and speaking to somebody you just met. Ask them where they're from and how long they've been living in Cancun. Number 2. Número dos. You and your spouse have been asked if you like living in Chile. Answer for the both of you. Number 3. Número tres. You are passing through immigration in Venezuela. The immigration officer asks you where you are from. How would you answer? Hey everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video and your Spanish is improving like mine. You can continue the Spanish course by clicking on the next episode, which is on your screen right now. If there's any topic you want me to cover in a future episode, please just leave a comment below. And finally, if you want to get additional free Spanish practice, get early access to all of our videos, and find your ideal Spanish tutor, just click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hasta pronto.